Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious steak without an oven. First, select a thick cut of steak, about 1.5 inches thick, for the best results. Pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels to ensure a beautiful, crispy crust. Then, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple preparation is key to a flavorful outcome. Next, heat your pan over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add a tablespoon of high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes until a deep brown crust forms. Reduce the heat to medium and add a few tablespoons of butter, along with garlic cloves and fresh herbs. Now, tilt the pan slightly and use a spoon to continuously baste the steak with the melted butter and aromatics. Continue cooking, flipping occasionally, until it reaches your desired internal temperature. For medium rare, aim for 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use a meat thermometer for accuracy. Once cooked, transfer the steak to a cutting board. It's crucial to let your steak rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. Slice the steak against the grain into desired portions. Serve immediately with your favorite side dishes. You've just made a perfectly cooked, juicy steak without needing an oven.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.